Hey guys, welcome back to Javon 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Demon Slayer, the Hinokami Chronicles for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and the game just dropped today. So here we are, testing it on the Nintendo Switch emulator, which seems to be booting and loading in immediately. There was nothing fancy. I had to do off of this. It is building in the shaders quite fast as well. This might be actually really playable. Now I'm going to show you my settings real quick. I am running on the default settings. The whole point of the benchmark is simply to show you the progress of the emulator. I want you guys to see that, hey, even the latest and greatest games that just released can still run on the Nintendo Switch. This is definitely one of them, because it's running. Like I said, this is from the jump, guys.
Look at you now. You finally learned proper breathing techniques.
And let me look at my CPU and GPU usage. Everything seems to be running really damn well. It's crazy. You don't get to... I want to get into a battle real quick. I'm really curious. My i7 is not even at 20%. That's crazy. And my GPU isn't hitting 50, and the game is running. Now let me compile these shaders real fast and let's see what happens. Obviously it's gonna compile because I have to do the attacks, but it seems to still be handling it quite well. Like, this is playable from the start, I would imagine.
I can do this. I know I can. You were able to handle that? So that's your plan. Move your legs. Don't even think about stopping.
Oh, I need to grab.
You're mine.
Oh! Just needed to check that real quick. So, after all that compiling of shaders, obviously we are still going to get... It's a fighter, so it's going to compile shaders all around, but for the most part, it doesn't seem to affect the game. And my GPU, once again, is still under 50%, and my CPU is at 20. So, this is actually really low-end friendly. You can play this on a low-end system. You really can. I feel like you should tell me it a bit faster, you know? Like, it's a bit slow.
So you can fight. Stay calm. Gotta clear my mind and
Just give me a minute to read what it's telling me for the 8th one.
You have good control. Waterfall basin! Waterfall basin! Waterfall basin!
Hey, I want to do that again. Got it. Nice.
There. That's it.
So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. As you know, the whole point is...
I will not yield.
The whole point of these benchmarks is simply show you the progress of the emulator. We want to see if the game can run. And it can.
Water breathing.
Now this is from CyberConnect. They made Ultimate Ninja Storm. I expected it to run really well, and it seems to be doing well considering. And like I said, this is one of those games. There is a lot. There is a lot of shaders to load in here, and it's doing it well. To the point that I would say the stutter is it's not stuttering. To the point that it takes you out of the experience. You could play this. You could play this. But once again, if you guys enjoy seeing me test the latest and greatest games on the PC, Yuzu, or RPC S3, Xenia, emulation, anything of the sort, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out on the channel. I post content, 10 videos daily, sometimes more, sometimes less. It goes crazy with me, but I post that almost every day. I try to post every day at least. If you guys enjoy this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell for when I post again. I may post something that may help you out in the future, like how to unlock, how to do something, how to run this, or how to get it to run on low-end systems. I also do custom configs for low-end hardware as well. Just leave a comment of a game you'd like to see a low-end config for, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again. I'm just gonna mute myself to enjoy the rest of the gameplay until the video ends.
Where did I go wrong? How did things turn out this way? I was just living.
Now, show me what you can do.
Total concentration breathing. Blood flowing through your body.
Accelerate your heartbeat.
I can be as strong as a demon.
Soon, you'll know how strong you truly become. Will you fall to the ground once again? Or will you finally come out on top?
Water breathing! Tenth form! Constant flux!
Show me! It's time to finish this, Tanjiro! He's doing it. In that case...
Total concentration! Water breathing! Fourth form! Striking tide!
A tie? Wait. No. Tanjiro is...
There! The opening thread!
Faster!